Hi, and welcome to ordering fractions in a linear sequence. So ordering fractions basically means to actually rearrange them from the smallest fractions to the biggest fractions. Now here we just have to kind of click and drag them left and right, depending on what we agree where the fractions should actually go. So if you look at the denominators of these fractions, the denominators are 5 and 10 and 2. Which means that 5, 10, and 2, the denominators, they can all actually divide into 10. So if you were to convert all of these fractions from a total of 10, then it'll be really, really easy for us to ascertain exactly where the fractions would actually go. So for example, how many times does 5 go into 10? So if you were to convert this fraction here, turn it into 10. So we know that 5 times 2 is 10. So we just times the top number by 2 as well. And 1 times 2 is 2. All right. So these go together. Exactly the same thing that we can do here. So 5 goes into 10 twice. So let's just turn the denominator into 10s. And we'll just times the top number by 2 as well, which will give us 6 over 10. So I'm just circling them so you know exactly where we are. We'll do exactly the same thing. 5 times 2 is 10 and 2 times 2 is 4. Now this one's already done, so that's fine. This one's already done, so we've already got the 10s that are already done for us. This one, just turn the denominator to 10. 4 times 2 is going to be 8, so that goes together. 1 stands for 100% anyway, so this is like 10 over 10. A half, so in this case 2 times 5 will be 10. We'll times the top number by 5 as well, which will give us 5 over 10. Now here we can work out where we're going to sequence these, smallest to the biggest. Now the smallest number, or the smallest fraction, sorry, that we can see here is going to be, I'm just going to highlight these in different color. So it's going to be 1 here. So that's going to be number 1, 1 over 10. Straight after that, we've got 2 over 10. So that this will be number 2. And straight after that, we've got 3 over 10. So this one will go in the 3rd position. And straight after 3 over 10, we have 4 over 10. So this will be number 4. Straight over 4 over 10, we've got number 5 here, which would be 5 over 10 because that's a half. And then straight after 5 over 10, we've got 6 over 10, and this will be number 6. And then we have number 7, and we have number 8, number 9, and then we have number 10. So you can write these down on a piece of paper, and then you can click and drag them so they're in the right position. So we've got them all numbered 1 to 10. Just write them down on a piece of paper so it'll be easier for you to remember which fractions go in which position and which order. And then at the end, you can actually just pick them up and you can just drag them. So click them down, drag them across here like this, and then they'll come into the correct position. Okay. You can just move them across like this wherever you want to, and then they'll go in the correct position. All right. So good luck with these, and we'll review these in our next lesson. Take care.